Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Have you ever tried checking into a hotel in Spanish? If not, after this lesson, you'll be ready to try out your skills. Now, I'll be covering lots of words and some phrases that you'll need to know to survive a hotel check-in. So let's jump right in. First of all, the hotel, it's easy. El hotel. Just remember it's masculine. El hotel. H is silent. Now, bed and breakfast is la pensión. La pensión. The hostel is el hostal. El hostal. And by the way, hostels are really great if you want to save some money and you don't mind having a little less privacy in some cases. Check out hostels, see what they're like, get the reviews, know what you're getting into, but you could save some money. The guest house is la casa de huéspedes. Make sure you put that accent on that first E. Huéspedes. The inn is la posada. La posada. Now, a five-star hotel, we're just going to say a hotel of 5 stars. Un hotel de 5 estrellas. Un hotel de 5 estrellas. Airport hotel is el hotel de aeropuerto. El hotel de aeropuerto. To confirm the reservation, this is an AR verb, just conjugate it like you do all AR verbs. Confirmar la reserva. Confirmar la reserva. Arrival date is la fecha de llegada. La fecha de llegada. To cancel the reservation, cancelar la reserva. Cancelar la reserva. With good views. If you want to ask for a room with a really good view, con buenas vistas. Con buenas vistas. With a private bathroom, yes, this could be important. Con baño privado. Con baño privado. And yes, that is something you need to know. Sometimes in hotels in foreign countries or hostels, there may be a restroom that several rooms use, several groups use. So know that up front. Departure date is la fecha de salida. La fecha de salida. If you want to specify paying in cash, or if you see a sign that says this, you'll need to know what it means. That is en efectivo. En efectivo. With credit card is con tarjeta de crédito. Con tarjeta de crédito. Reservation code is el código de reserva. El código de reserva. Room service is just simply, you can say el servicio. The pool hours, we're really saying the schedule of the pool, so it would be el horario de piscina. El horario de piscina. The key is la llave. La llave. The card, you kind of saw this one a second ago, la tarjeta. Tarjetas can be all kinds of cards. The bellboy is el botones. El botones. Personal info, we can say los datos personales. Los datos personales. Full name is nombre completo. Nombre completo. Your passport, very important, is el pasaporte. El pasaporte. Check-in is, same thing as register. That's going to be an AR verb, registrar. Registrar. The room rate is la tarifa. La tarifa. Extra charges, which I hope you don't deal with, los cargos extra. Los cargos extra. Phone number, el número de teléfono. El número de teléfono. The front desk, we're just going to say reception, la recepción. La recepción. And the pool, saw this one a minute ago, is la piscina. La piscina. The housekeeper, la mucama. La mucama. The lobby is el vestíbulo. El vestíbulo. The curtains, kind of getting into some stuff in your room now. Las cortinas. Las cortinas. The bedspread is el cubrecamas. El cubrecamas. And you know, cubre implies covering. The chair is la silla, la silla. The nightstand, la mesa de luz, la mesa de luz. The carpet is la alfombra, la alfombra. A lot of people see the word carpeta in Spanish and they think it means carpet. No, it means folder. Carpet is la alfombra. The blinds, las persianas, las persianas. The bathtub is la tina and the bed is la cama. Getting even more specific, the mattress is el colchón, el colchón. The sheets, you got to say that accent on the first A, las sábanas, las sábanas. The pillow is la almohada, la almohada. The door lock is la cerradura, la cerradura. The shower is la ducha, la ducha. The hair dryer is el secador de cabello, el secador de cabello. Few more. The towels are las toallas, las toallas. The soap is el jabón, el jabón. The shampoo is el champú, el champú. Now, this is a challenge one. Toilet paper is hygienic paper, paper hygienic. So it's going to go like this. El papel higiénico, el papel higiénico. Okay, that was a lot of words. I know, but you can get them down. Now, let's get some phrases so you can have these ready also when you check into a hotel. Now, you'll remember this one from my last video on the top 10 phrases for surviving in a Spanish-speaking country, also linked in the description. I have a reservation under the name of tengo una reservación a nombre de. Okay. Now, somebody says, may I see your ID, please? ¿Me permite su identificación? ¿Me permite su identificación? Por favor. And of course, they probably say, por favor, being nice, right? This one could be important. At what time is breakfast? ¿A qué hora es el desayuno? ¿A qué hora es el desayuno? Now, if I'm coming in, I don't have a reservation, I'm going to say, do you have any available rooms for tonight? ¿Tienen habitaciones disponibles para pasar la noche? Okay, that's a lot. You can get it, though, I promise. ¿Tienen habitaciones disponibles para pasar la noche? Okay, remember, surviving a situation in a foreign language is not completely about being able to say things, but also to understand their responses. So if you ask if there are any available rooms, you want to be able to understand their response. So here's a possible response. Yes. Would you like a single or a double room? Sí. ¿Quiere una habitación individual o doble? Sí. ¿Quiere una habitación individual o doble? All right, you're almost done with your check-in, and you get your room number. Now let's get an example. You will be in room 210, second floor. Here's the key. Enjoy your stay. All of that. Watch this. Ustedes estarán en el cuarto 210, piso 2. Aquí tiene la llave. Disfrute su estadía. Okay, now you have some tools. It's time to practice and get ready to not only survive your hotel check-in, but to thrive in your hotel check-in. Hey, if you have some great phrases or words, leave them in the comments. I'd love to see them, and I know the viewers would love to see them as well. Add to the list for us. Until next time, I wish for you and all your family and friends, paz y bendiciones. Hasta pronto.